Sahrawardi. Exercises, page 132. Vocabulary focus. 1. Deem. To judge or consider something in a particular way. For example, the book was deemed to be unsuitable for children. 2. Discrete. Separate and different. For example, a word that has two discrete meanings. Execution. Number 1. Killing. When someone is killed as a legal punishment. For example, execution by hanging. The other meaning of execution is doing, القيام بالعمل. When you do something, for example, he was killed in the execution of his duties as a soldier. Innovative. Innovative, number 4, innovative, which means that using new methods, ابتكار. For example, innovative approach to program making. 5. Intuitive, حدثي أو بديهي. Using intuition, for example, he has an intuitive understanding of animals. The adverb intuitively, بحدث أو بطريقة بديهية. 7. Luminous, مضيء أو واضح. For example, something that is luminous shines in the dark. Propagate. Propagate. Propagate, this is a verb which comes in different meanings. For example, produce, for producing. For example, if you propagate plants, you help them to produce new plants. يعني تكاثر النباتات القيام تركيب نباتات جديدة. To tell. المعنى الثاني propagate ليخبر, to tell. To tell your ideas or opinions to a lot of people in order to make them agree with what you are saying. يعني تقنع الآخرين, محاولة إقناع الآخرين بوجهة نظرك. يعني to propagate lies لإشاعة يعني كذبة, أو rumors لإشاعات, يعني حملة دعائية إقناع الآخرين. Propagation حملة دعائية. Noun. نعم. Propagation حملة. Comprehension focus. The questions is in the book in 133. Question number 1. I will read the question and read the answer. Number 1. What kind of relation is specified by the term illuminationist relation? What kind of relation is specified by the term illuminationist relation? The answer. Illuminationist relation specifies the non-predictive relation between the subject and the object to signify the illuminationist position in epistemology. I will repeat سأعيد الجواب. Illuminationist relation, علاقة الاستنارة, علاقة تنويرية, specifies the non-predictive relation between the subject and the object to signify the illuminationist position in epistemology. يعني وضع النظرية يعني نظرية الاستنارة في في نظرية المعرفة، يعني إدخالها كمنهج دراسي علمي للدراسة. 2. Some Orientalists بعض المستشرقين believe that the illuminist philosophy فلسفة النورانية is not new. Why? The answer: illuminist philosophy is nothing but a reformulation of Ibn Sina's argument derived from Aristotle. يعني هاي نعم الفلسفة هذه هي بالحقيقة كانت إعادة صياغة من دراسات ابن سينا المشتقة من أرسطو. Illuminist philosophy is nothing but a reformulation إعادة صياغة ابن سينا's argument لدراسات ابن سينا derived from Aristotle. 3. Why is the symbolism of light supposed to be more adequate to describe ontological problems? Why is the symbolism of light supposed to be more adequate to describe ontological problems? يعني لماذا تعتبر الرمزية النور، يعني الرمزية النورانية هي كافية ومناسبة لدراسة وتحليل مشاكل الوجود الكوني؟ The answer: since lights may differ in intensity while remaining of the same essence. Since lights may differ in intensity while remaining of the same. طبعا احنا قلنا هنا same essence اللي هو الهرم الأعلى اللي هو the lights of lights اللي هو نور الأنوار، وبنوره الخالق، يعني أنار بنوره في السماوات والأرض، ودرجة الإنارة تختلف. هناك هرم طولي يتقربون إليه من هم الأكثر clearness in consciousness كالملائكة والأنبياء والمصطفين، يعني والأدنى فالأدنى إلى الأنوار العرضية اللي هي تكون الأدنى. 4. How are we to understand knowledge according to the philosophy of illumination? How are we to understand knowledge according to the philosophy of illumination? Answer: light is described as the foundation and the starting point of knowledge. Light is described as the foundation and the starting point of knowledge. Question number 5. What are Sahrawardi's criticism of peripatetic logic mentioned in the text? يعني ما هي انتقادات السهروردي النظرية المنشائية المذكورة في النص؟ What are the Sahrawardi's criticism of the peripatetic logic mentioned in the text? The answer: Sahrawardi reduced all model propositions to the affirmative necessary ones. Sahrawardi reduced all model propositions to the affirmative necessary ones. 6. How does Sahrawardi describe knowledge? How does Sahrawardi describe knowledge? The answer: knowledge is described as an abstract light generated from the source of light. المعرفة ما هي إلا نور مجرد ومطلق جاء من نور الأنوار اللي هو الخالق تبارك وتعالى. Thank you very much.